Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to take user input as length and breadth and find area of a rectangle. So given the two input values, that is length and breadth, so you have to find the area of a rectangle. So that is the problem statement. So area of a rectangle is equals to, so this is the formula that we already know, that is you have to take the length and multiply it with the breadth. So this is a formula to calculate the area of a rectangle. So let's use this particular formula and try to find the area of a rectangle. So let's try to write a Python program. So let me take variable, that is length. This is the first variable that I am taking. Let's use the input function called to ask a user to enter rectangle length. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of string type. So let's convert from string type to an floating type value using the type conversion. So once we get the value of length, so let's take another variable, that is breadth, and use the input function call again to ask a user to enter rectangle breadth. Yeah, again, once the user enters, so it will be of a string type. So let's again convert it into a floating type value. So once we get two input, that is length and breadth, so let's take another variable, that is area, and take these two variables, that is length, and multiply the value of length with the breadth. So this will give us the area and it will be stored in this particular variable. So now let's use a print function once we done calculating the area, and let's try to print area of a rectangle is, let's give colon, and let's try to print the floating point percentage point to f, and here let's again take the percentage and try to print the area. Yeah, so this is how we try to format a floating value, that is percentage point to f. So in order to print the fraction. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program. So enter rectangle length, let's say 2.2, and rectangle breadth, that is 4.4. So you can see area of a rectangle is 9.68. Closing it. Let me run it again. So let's say 3.3 and let's say 12.45. So you can see area of a rectangle is 41.08. Closing it. Let me run it again. And here let's give 12 and something like 13. So you can see the area of a rectangle is an integer value, that is 156. Yeah, so this is a simple method to take user input, that is length and breadth, and multiply those two values and calculate the area. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find area of a rectangle. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for